Python has three types for holding binary sequences. Bytes and byte array help manipulate binary data. Message is a string. ARR is a bytes object on this. It is an immutable sequence of single bytes. This is ARR. This is a bytes object of size 7. And here we provide values. We can convert hex values into a bytes object and a bytes object into hex values. Message is a string and this is a byte array on it. This is like a bytes object but mutable. This is a byte array of size 7 and this one holds integers. Byte arrays support the from hex and hex methods, but they also support mutable sequence operations. Let's call this ARR, append 6 to it, and this is ARR now. It is possible to append values to it. Other than this, there are many operations on bytes and byte array objects. We can count how often this bytes object appears in this one. We can also split it around the part with the value 3. And we can turn this byte array's values to uppercase. Now memory views let us access an object's internal data. This is a byte array and this is a memory view on it. At index 1 we have E, the ASCII for which is 101. We can also slice it and reassign it. The toList method gives us a list from MV.